So I thought I'd show people this because it is a little bit fiddly. But when I was popping out this vent to try and source a rattle, which I fixed, I accidentally on one side popped up this part of the fascia. So just be careful when you're going in to use your pry that you don't take this bit off. It's got little clips along here. I didn't break any, but you know, just gotta be careful. But when I did that, it meant that these became loose, the fins, and then they came out. Now there is a way to put them back. So basically when you look at there's a little metal clip mechanism that looks a bit like this. So it's not quite that size obviously, but you've got a circular hole, circular hole, circular hole, and then a little kind of grip thing. So this goes this way up, and the trick that I found to getting it back in is, so first off you've got to get it the right way round, and if you look in the corner here, I looked at the other side for reference, there is a little tiny divot, and you've got to mimic that on the other side, otherwise the fins don't turn properly, they just lock, and you want to have full range of movement of the fins. So that's the first thing to look. It's hard to see it on the camera, but you just got to mimic that on the other side. And then when you're putting it back together, so what I did is I slid in the pins that are related to, or the fins that are related to ones that have a circular hole. I put those in place first. So I put the end that locks into the main housing here, so put those in first, and the absolute first one you want to put in is the central one, because that has to, there's a little pincers there that grips the internal fins, so you put that one in first to make sure that it's actually gripping it properly. And so you put the housing side first, and then you hook it into the little bracket, and you've got to try and hold that in place so that it doesn't slip out whilst you're doing it. This is where it's fiddly. And then I also did the same with the top and the bottom fin, put the housing side first in the other side, and then put it into the little circular metal bracket bit. And then you clip them into place. Be really careful that you don't break the little arms that clip into place here. It still will have a propensity to want to ping out, because the way that that metal clip works is almost like a spring. Once everything's in place, it actually holds everything under a bit of tension. So then the next ones I did was the ones that kind of grip him. So again, put the housing side in first, so it's these two, and then you slide them into place, but you've got to try and make sure that in that process you don't ping everything out, and only by the time you put the last one in will there be enough sort of tension held that it doesn't all want to ping out. And even then, this housing, the fascia, is the final bit that holds them all in place. So that's how you do it. I had a few rounds where I couldn't get it to work, but yeah, that's a fix. I think on AliExpress there are kits to get replacements. Whether they would fit properly, I'd say that it's a very fine tolerance. If you'd actually broken a fin, you may probably just want to buy a new second-hand one of these, because I think trying to repair these little areas, again, just such fine tolerance. But if you did what I did and it all just pinged out and nothing was actually broken, then that's the way to put them back together.